I was over there literally struggling, but like I wasn't gonna tell nobody, and I didn't film it, so I mean y'all didn't know I was struggling. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today we are cooking. I don't know what I just said. Oh my gosh. Because I just had to record the intro like twice because I'm
Be careful with that thing. Who knows what'll happen?
This is the first time. But today we are cooking my favorite Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. So I already did shrimp off camera because that's a lot. Y'all don't want to watch that. That's boring. I have the heavy whipping cream, crushed tomatoes, spinach. Everything is Kroger brand because your girl is cheap and I know how to cook, so it's not gonna taste generic, but whatever. Sugar, brown sugar to be exact. Fettuccine noodles. Some beef sausage. The sausage definitely can be interchangeable. I usually do turkey, but we're doing beef today. And a red bell pepper. So yeah, I'm about to clean some stuff off camera and I will be back, so stay tuned. This is a good knife. I stole mine from my mom too. She ain't leaving, I stole mine from her. That's true, everybody. I didn't know if I wanted to make this quiet, so I don't know. We're in her kitchen, grown woman kitchen. She got a house, yes. I'll be like her one day. Okay, so do you want your peppers big enough for you to take them out, or small enough for you not to care?
I like peppers. So.
You do? Oh, you don't care? Okay.
But I don't like them. I don't like them big.
You don't like them big? Okay, so.
Cause like I ain't gonna eat it then.
That's what I. That's okay. So we on the same page. Cool. I ain't never been with anybody. Ooh, she comes, so I had to tell you.
Oh, I was like, I just knew how it was going on.
It's like I want to talk, but I don't have nothing to say.
Talk about it.
Yeah. Shreya, tell them a story.
Okay.
Let's do a story time.
Cooking with Tria. Let's talk about something.
She said cooking with Shreya. What Shreya
Well, I
cooking?
ain't even cooking.
Right, like what is Shreya cooking? Like I'm really like trying to figure that out. Yeah, she supplied the kitchen. Hey. Hey, pour me some. Fuck you.
Okay.
No, I don't want
Okay.
I thought I did. In my head, I did.
Whatever you want.
Right.
But I really don't have anything.
You don't have no story times, like some old story times about college, about just anything. Like it can be anything. I'll make them smaller, of course, but or high school. It can be high school, college.
Now ain't nobody want to whip my ass.
We used to be a part of a group called Aces. We used to rap, y'all.
We used to rap.
We also were songwriters. We were gonna make a lot of songs for the OMG girls in our head. It was good songs though, yeah.
Definitely
We just
had
wasn't.
good songs.
They just wasn't for. They weren't for us. So like, we were just like, we can sell these.
2 hours later.
We made this a voice.
I'm happy you don't have to take them volumes off.
Girl, no, I was over there struggling. No, I was struggling. And then I had to think, what would a kid not do? So then I was like, okay. Yeah, she has the stove. She's such a good mommy. She has the stove childproof, Shawn proof, aka. So like, yeah, I was just for real. I was over there literally struggling, but like I wasn't gonna tell nobody, and I didn't film it, so I mean, y'all didn't know I was struggling.
Cause I heard you. I heard them ticking. I was like, okay.
I don't need to go help. Good. Oh no, I was struggling, and I did it quietly.
Let me take all these bitches off.
Oh yeah, just in case, like I had to like show them something. Cause I wanted a little aesthetic. I did a little on the camera. Y'all already saw it, or y'all gonna see it? I don't know yet. But I put it on there.
You did?
Yeah.
She said.
That's now what you doing, Tria? What you doing?
We
You
are
doing a little
getting our
plate thing?
seasonings together.
We so aesthetically pleasing.
You stupid.
Good, what's up? And I'm cutting the sausage.
Gonna give it that kick.
This
That kick.
Y'all, this knife cutting so good. I'm not ready for it.
But yeah,
I'm over here butchering,
like just
butchering
going
the
through.
yeah. Like, what the fuck?
I didn't know I was gonna be an extra in the video.
Hey, gotta use what you have, man.
All hands on deck.
Where
baby.
tell you at? I'm just like.
I do gotta go get the. I was loud, man. Oh no.
What time you gotta be there before 6, right?
5:01.
5.
Yeah,
Isn't
before
that
6.
5?
Well, I try to get her.
5:01?
It is,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's not that. I gotta get her. I try to get her by 5:30,
Okay.
or at least by like 5:45 if I'm out, you know. Because I don't want her to be the last one, though.
That's good.
I'm
'cause I used to hate
traumatized from
when people
that.
I used to stay there too.
I
I
used to
liked
be-
it though.
I used to be at the Boys and Girls Club, like, is it my mama coming through the door? No. No, it's not her. It's not her.
Y'all know I'm like, this season is tearing me up.
What is it, bitch?
Let me say it.
So this is it. Oh, I should put the pepper in here.
This girl, aesthetically pleasing. The sausage is fully cooked, which is perfect. She is really trying to move the pepper over. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we only using to season the food. You can tell them.
We got black pepper. My homegirl, Old Bay.
I would have thought he was a dude.
I
You
just
think
said
it's
my
a girl?
homegirl, and you said I would have thought he was when it's a girl.
Yeah, but I
So,
think he's a dude.
Cajun seasoning.
He's a dude. He's not a girl.
Garlic powder. Okay? Y'all do not have to put every seasoning in your cabinet into the food, baby. You just don't have to do that.
You know.
So,
And I don't have it.
because that's too much salt.
That's what I was supposed to get.
Like, y'all eat.
I didn't get no
Unless you
onion
got high
powder.
blood
I
pressure.
didn't get no onion powder. You have onion powder? Yay!
Because I was thinking that.
I forgot.
I was like, onion powder.
I didn't feel like putting onions in it, so we're gonna use onion powder. Same difference, right? I like the taste of onions, but I don't like I don't like to eat onions. You like onion rings, don't you?
Yeah. I wouldn't buy it.
She looked like she liked onion rings.
I wouldn't pay for them, but you know, I like them.
She looked like she liked onion rings. I'm just like, everybody actually likes onion rings. I'm the only one. You looking like, bitch, what the fuck an onion ring like her look like?
Cute ass onion ring like her. Tell you that.
Period.
Tell you that.
Period.
So yeah, there we go.
I'm still cutting.
There we go.
I like the sausage to be a little smaller.
Fine. Non-existent.
Fine, non-existent. Okay.
Oh.
Killing. You can show me. You can show it to
I
me.
can't. You gotta like have it like big.
This girl.
You gotta have it like.
Oh, YouTuber. She don't have a steady hand, so she's scared to put it up to the camera. That's what it is. It's okay. We gonna let her stay in her little world. Invite me over and I'll cook. I like doing stuff like that. I do. You said what?
I just need all the dishes to be clean.
And I like cleaning too.
I need somebody to wash them when I'm done.
Oh, you said cooking straight.
Yeah.
See, that actually was my job growing up. Like, I would just clean and keep up with cook.
I hate dishes.
let's get into these voiceovers. So of course the water is boiling already. Sorry in advance, I do crack my noodles. Yeah, I know that a lot of people do not, but hey, I crack my noodles, and yeah, it does good for me. So after that, I put some butter into the skillet, just enough to mix in with my brown sugar. So what is that, like 3 tablespoons? 4? I suck at math. Everything's really eyeballing at this point. But yeah, mix in my brown sugar with the butter just so it has some type of liquid to actually form kind of like a little sauce. Little saucy. I love doing the brown sugar first. Oh, by the way, we're only using 1 skillet and 1 pot, if that makes sense. So just 2. But yeah, I love using the brown sugar first. I put in my sausage, let the brown sugar marinate in it until it's like caramelized. You know what I'm trying to say. You know. But yeah, I like doing the brown sugar first because I like the brown sugar to honestly touch every little piece of food that we're putting in the skillet. So yeah, brown sugar first. And after it is caramelized, we put it to the side. Again, it was fully cooked to begin with. So, you know, put it back into that thingy after it's warmed up and all glistening and glazed with the brown sugar. I just realized, well, maybe not, I don't know, but yeah, so after that I get some olive oil, coat that just a little bit, get the olive oil, and then now we're about to put our shrimp in it, so the shrimp can just cook for a little bit. I use raw shrimp because I don't know how to cook shrimp because it's already cooked, so like it becomes out rubbery and stuff like that. Ew, I don't know. So yeah, saute it a little bit and then drain my noodles. Look at the effect. Like I did it slow so like it can give like a cool like, you know, effect. But okay, back to the shrimp. So I'm done with the shrimp, so I put the shrimp to the side. And unless I have somebody who's allergic or just doesn't want one or the other, I usually just mix them together. But on the off chance that somebody doesn't like it, I will put them in separate things. But now, so we're on to the olive oil. Put a little garlic in the pan. Just a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Now the peppers. I'm gonna saute them peppers, spin them around a little bit, get them all, you know, in that. And then we start adding the spinach gradually. If you know, spinach honestly comes out like a lot, but then once it's cooked down, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller, like the amount. So I just gradually add it in just so I don't have like a clunk of spinach just sitting there, and then I have to like do more than I have to. We are trying to be effective cookers, not extra cookers, okay? But yeah, get that down. Ooh, look at it, it's down. And now I add a cup of milk. A cup of heavy cream. And I also added a cup of vegetable oil, just a cup each. I forgot to actually film the vegetable oil. I don't know why, but yeah, a cup of vegetable oil. And then let that cook. Add a few of the crushed tomatoes. Again, we're just eyeballing. I add enough for color. I don't really like tomatoes like that, but the color and the taste of the tomatoes are good. I'm not a texture person. So yeah, I just add a little bit, and when the color is right to me, then yeah, I'm done adding tomatoes. And that's pretty much it. Just let the sauce cook and thicken a little bit. And then I add my meat. Add the meat back. Basically, everything's going to end up in this one pot. So yeah, add the meat back. Stir it in. Stir it in. But yeah, you see, everything's mixed in good. Looks so good. It's all gone now, y'all. But yeah, okay, now I'm adding my pasta in. So I just add a little bit at a time, mix it in, because again, I just don't want a big chunk of something just in it, and I want everything mixed well. So I'm just mixing as I'm putting in. These tongs actually are very beneficial. So yeah, just mix it in. I'm gonna be a singer one day, y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, it's good, it's delicious, it's fast, it's fun, and like, I don't know, it's just the best type of pasta ever. I just love it so much. But yeah, so I'm done, you guys. Just watch me. I'm about to do some type of little thingy. in a few. So yeah, just keep watching. But yeah, okay. TTYL. Okay, so they about to try it.
What you about to try?
You gonna try it, Say? She's laughing.
You not gonna try it too?
Right.
Yeah, it's sweet. How the hell you do that? The brown chicken? It's good. I like it.
Yay! You like it, Taylor? Hell no. Oh, she's eating it. Oh my Gigi. Okay.
I'm good.
Well, thank you guys for watching.
It's good.
Can you say
Chef Shawn.
say subscribe to her channel? Despite what she said, do it, okay? Okay? Say subscribe. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and definitely check out her channel. It's gonna be below. So yeah. See you guys later.
Bye. This is really good. But she do not be eating after she eat that daycare. She be damn if she eat something else.
Okay, you make me happy.